Customer connection isn't just a nice to have, it's the foundation of every great product decision. Whether you're building a customer-facing app, enterprise solution, or something in between, understanding your customers is key to solving real problems. But how do you actually stay connected to them when your customer type is so different in a B2C, a B2B, a B2B2C, and internal? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Teresa and I'm a product leader based in Melbourne, Australia. And on this channel, we explore strategies and tools that inspire us to keep growing in our product career. Now in this video, I'll share some key ways my team and I have stayed connected to our customers across different customer types. Let's jump into B2C, business to consumer. In the world of B2C, you're often dealing with high volume of users, and they can be pretty diverse in terms of their needs. So here are a few ways to stay connected to your customers. First, use data analytics tools like your Google Analytics, Mixpanel or Aptitude, etc. to help you understand the customer behavior at scale. Look at trends like the drop-off points in your funnel, user engagements with features, or churn rates. But don't just rely on numbers, dive into the customer journeys. Next, run user surveys regularly. Now these can be super quick, like a post-purchase or an in-app survey. Keep them short and to the point so people actually complete them. Leverage social media and communities. Your customers are talking about your product somewhere, so listen. Engage in social media, product forums, and online communities where your users hang out. Regular customer interviews weekly or fortnightly. Now conduct interviews with your target customers, whether they are new, never used a product before, or returning. It's a great way to talk to them regularly to stay connected, to build a co-designing environment where their feedback can turn into real improvements on your product. Now into the B2B, business to business, the game changes a bit. You're typically dealing with a few customers, but the relationship runs a lot deeper. Here's how to maintain those connections. First, develop a customer advisory boards. These are your power users and your key accounts that help you shape your roadmap. Schedule regular check-ins with them, not just to get feedback, to continue on building a strong partnership on long-term strategies. Conduct deep dive interviews. This is where you need to get the core of your business problems. These interviews are much longer than your B2C interaction, but they will give you the rich insight that no dashboard can. Next, on-site visits and shadowing. Sometimes you just need to go beyond the phone calls and emails. If possible, visit their office, observe their workflow, and see how your product fits into their day-to-day operation. Alright, on to the next one is the B2B2C. It's like a hybrid. You have the challenge of supporting both businesses and their customers. So how do you stay connected? The first is gather feedback from both ends. You need input from the business you're selling to, and then their users. This can be done through just joint customer workshops where both parties are present. Next, co-create with partners. Now in B2B2C, your business partners can often be seen as customers themselves. Co-creating solutions with them is a great way to ensure you're meeting both their needs and their customers' needs. Next is test end user experience. Even though you might not be directly selling to the customers, you need to understand how they interact with your product. Run usability tests and get insights from the end users. Finally, let's talk about the internal customers. These are your colleagues or teams within your organization who rely on your product like internal tools, platforms, or systems. Staying connected with them is just as critical. So here are 3 ways to do it. One is frequent internal feedback loops. Set up regular feedback channels like surveys, feedback sessions, showcases, or even Slack channels dedicated to internal feedback. Your internal teams are likely to give you more detailed feedbacks than any external customers, so leverage that. Next is shadow teams using your product. Spent time with teams who uses your product day to day, whether it's customer support, sales, or operation, seeing how they use the tool in real time can help you understand the pain points and identify quick wins. And lastly, incorporate cross-functional collaboration. Internal customers are often part of cross-functional teams. Ensure you're regularly engaging with these teams and including them in the key decision-making processes. Workshops and collaborative sessions can be incredibly valuable. Now, whether you're working in any of these environments, the key is maintaining consistency and meaningful engagement. Each customer type may require different approaches, but at the end of the day, staying connected is what helps you make the best product decisions. If you find this video helpful or inspiring, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you would like to share your experience on staying connected to customers, please share in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.